1,000 crores, also creating 1,000 jobs, globally headquartered in Singapore. They're going to be setting up their facility in Tiruvallur. Cell Bios Healthcare and Life Sciences Private Limited will be investing 150 crores, creating 250 jobs. They have centers coming up in Dindigul and Krishnagiri that will be focusing on the cell and gene therapy products manufacturing. RB Bovins Private Limited will be investing 675 crores, generating 3,500 jobs in Virudhunagar, where their facility will be set up. Their primary focus will be manufacturing of home textiles. Trusted Aerospace Engineering Private Limited will be investing 1,000 crores, creating 3,000 jobs, ladies and gentlemen. Their existing unit in Kanchipuram will be expanded. Alongside that, they're also setting up a new unit in Vellore, manufacturing of high-precision aerospace, semiconductor and medical device components. Team Wuyang Automotive India Private Limited will be on stage next. They're globally headquartered in Korea. They'll be investing 160 crores, creating 250 jobs. The center in Tamil Nadu will be set up in Tiruvallur, and it is the very first in the state. They'll be manufacturing automotive components. We extend our heartiest congratulations. Acronolife Genomics Private Limited on stage next will be investing a total that amounts to 210 crores, creating 210 jobs with their facility in Chengalpet that will look at the manufacturing of molecular diagnostics, genomics and precision medicine products. Trump Metamation Private Limited making their way to celebrate a 100 crore investment and a 350 employment opportunity list. Ladies and gentlemen, they are globally headquartered in Germany, and their center in Kanchipuram will look at the expansion of their Global Capability Center. Welcoming GGB Battery India Private Limited as they invest 200 crores, creating 300 jobs. Their facility in Thoothukudi is the first in Tamil Nadu. We all know they are globally headquartered in the United States, and this facility in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, will be looking at the manufacturing of zinc bromide batteries for battery energy storage systems. Yalamanchili Automobiles Private Limited will be investing 75 crores, creating 100 jobs in the Sivaganga district, which is also a first in Tamil Nadu. They'll look at the manufacturing of EV three-wheelers. May I kindly welcome Easy Controls India Private Limited, globally headquartered in Korea. They're going to be investing 240 crores, creating 225 jobs as they focus on the manufacturing of EV and automotive components with their center in Tiruvallur. Technoactivewear Private Limited will be investing 130 crores, creating 500 jobs with their brand new facility in Erode, looking at the manufacturing of functional activewear. Ladies and gentlemen, NDR Metro Rise Private Limited will be setting up an industrial park with an investment of 465 crores, creating 1,000 jobs. Their facility will be set up in Kanchipuram. Kinesis Semiconductor Wire Solutions India Private Limited will be investing a total of 193 crores, creating 214 jobs. They're looking at their center in Malaysia, globally headquartered in Malaysia. This is also their first in the state. Kinesis is establishing India's first localized semiconductor bonding wire manufacturing facility. Next on stage, Big Pro Solutions Private Limited investing 443 crores, creating 350 jobs with their center in Krishnagiri, which is also a first in Tamil Nadu. They'll be looking at the manufacturing of reliability and failure testing systems. May we kindly welcome the team from Bridgeport Technology Private Limited as they celebrate an investment of 130 crores, creating 72 jobs. They're globally headquartered in Singapore. Their center in Tamil Nadu will be in Krishnagiri, manufacturing of surface treatment and precision cleaning solutions. Extending our heartiest thanks to our dignitaries on stage, may we invite you to kindly take a seat in the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister. We have the team from PTW Semiconductor India Private Limited joining us as they invest 250 crores, creating 750 jobs. They're globally headquartered in Singapore, and this particular facility is the first in Tamil Nadu. They'll be manufacturing semiconductor systems, and they'll also be operating in India. 300 jobs across Tamil Nadu with their facilities will be manufacturing fabrics and yarns. Welcoming the team from Premier Fine Linens Private Limited as they invest 370 crores, create 1,500 jobs in the Coimbatore district with their facility that will be manufacturing home textiles as their primary focus. Please give a warm round of applause to the team at PT Tex Group as they invest 300 crores, creating 150 jobs. Their facility will be set up in Namakkal and they'll be looking at the manufacture of fabrics, yarns and ready-made garments as their focus. Joining us next is Nadesan Group of Companies as they invest 500 crores, generating 200 jobs in the Kanchipuram district with their facility that will be manufacturing precision, aerospace and auto components. As we extend our heartiest congratulations to the team, we welcome NIP Alloy Private Limited, celebrating their investment of 200 crores, creating 370 jobs in Kanchipuram and Ranipet, while they manufacture continuous casting mold plates. Gateway Green Resources LLP will be next. They'll be investing a total of 50 crores, creating 100 jobs in the Tiruvallur district. Tire depolymerization is going to be their prime focus. Viva Toys Global Private Limited will be investing 1,000 crores, generating 5,000 jobs, ladies and gentlemen, in the Tiruvallur district. Manufacturing of electronic toys will be their primary focus. As we extend our heartiest congratulations to Viva Toys, if we may request you to kindly give them a huge round of applause. Welcoming Team Eurotech Pivot Solutions next. Extending our heartiest congratulations to Viva Toys. Eurotech Pivot Solutions Private Limited will be making their way to the stage as they commemorate their investment of 150 crores, creating 300 jobs in the new facility that they have coming up in Thoothukudi, manufacturing of hovercrafts. IWW Skill Engineering Private Limited is up next. Their investment is a total of 150 crores, creating 600 jobs in the Thoothukudi district while they develop an integrated marine industrial hub. A special day for the state of Tamil Nadu. If we may request you to please keep the applause going as we welcome next the team from LTEX Private Limited. LTEX Private Limited, ladies and gentlemen, they will be investing 130 crores, creating 70 jobs in Krishnagiri with their brand new facility that will be manufacturing radio and radar components. As we extend our heartiest congratulations, we also mark this occasion with a round of applause. We're celebrating an incredible achievement for the state of Tamil Nadu under the visionary leadership of the Honorable Chief Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, ASACO Private Limited will be joining us up next. As we extend our heartiest congratulations to LTEX Private Limited, Team ASACO Private Limited will be investing 507 crores, creating 800 jobs in the Coimbatore district. This is also a first in Tamil Nadu facility that will manufacture precision space components. Controls.